Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use your Tefal Pure Pop Steamer. So right now it's unplugged, it's very simple to use. This is the water container down here. To fill it with water you're just going to slide it down like so, and then you're going to bring this over to the tap and you're just going to fill up with tap water through here. If you live in a very hard water area you can put a mixture of tap water and also demineralized water as well. And then to put it back in here you just close that down there and just put it here and slide it up until it clicks into place. You have your on and off switch down here, and this is how you operate the steamer with this bit here. Now when it comes to the head here, we actually have two different heads on this. You can take it off by pulling it out and then reversing it like this. The nice velvet side here is to steam with no damage, so you can de-wrinkle stuff, and then this side is to remove hairs and lint. So it's just like a lint brush there. So let's plug it in and I'll just show you it steaming. So when we plug it in and turn it on, a little light's going to come on here. It won't start steaming until that light goes out. So give it a good 15 seconds or so and you will see the light will go out. You can hear that it's warming up. There you go, and it's just gone out now, so it's ready to use. So all you have to do is press the button, and when you press the button you will see it will start generating steam like so. And when you're steaming your garments, just go up and down vertically. You can have it at a slight angle, but if you just do it vertically like that, you're going to be starting from the top and just working your way down. Top, working your way down. And that's as simple as that. When you're finished with it, you're going to be turning it off here. You can take out this water reservoir here, and then you can empty this out down the sink. And then let it cool for at least an hour before storing it away to make sure that there's no heat build up on it. And if you use it quite a bit, then you can also descale it as well. We'll do another video on descaling it, but it involves putting white vinegar and water in here and then running it through until you empty the reservoir, filling it up with clean water again, running it through again, and that way then you're going to keep it all nice and clean on the inside. So that's it, that's how to use your Tefal Pure Pop. Thanks for watching.